Hello everyone, just wanted to make an informal video about my honest reflection on binary trees and basically line 75 set of questions. Yeah, to give a little bit of context, I first was introduced to binary trees through my school's data structures course. It's called CS221 for if any of you guys are University of British Columbia students, you'll probably recognize it. But yeah, for that one, we were exposed to binary trees using C++, and we were able to work through like different problems and kind of like learn through the basics of the data structure and stuff through that. After 221, I actually ended up having to do an internship, which was really fun. And basically for that one, I wasn't really all that exposed to data structures. For those of you guys also taking internships, you know that like binary trees don't really come up in like day-to-day life. I remember reading an article online about the creator of Homebrew complaining that he wasn't able to pass a Google interview because he wasn't able to solve a binary tree problem, and I kind of resonate with him on that one. It's not really that necessary, but I think it's just something you have to kind of grind through in order to get past the interview. It's kind of interesting really because I've been asked binary tree problems in a lot of my interviews, and some of those interviews I've actually been asked it before I've taken that 221 class, so as you can imagine that didn't go well. In terms of important concepts to know while going through binary trees, I would say that knowing pre-order, in-order, post-order, as well as depth first search, breadth first search, and general concepts like, what binary search is, and I guess how you would general terminology like what a leaf node is, also what a root node is, finding the height, and I guess expressing time complexity and space complexity in terms of both height and the number of nodes in a binary tree. I think that's pretty necessary for the problems which I've been doing. Also, like something I've been noticing while doing these videos is that you really kind of have to break down these problems into different patterns. So it's I've heard this like a lot of in other videos as well, where you like look at a legal problem, you figure out like a pattern, and eventually like you'll know the pattern and be able to like solve the problem using like a pattern or variation of it. I didn't really see it in action until after I just like went ahead and like went through all of these binary tree problems. So I think that was something that helped gain my confidence a lot in doing leak code problems, because before I was kind of intimidated. This is kind of like nice to have that reaffirmation, that everything can be boiled down to a set of patterns, especially for like the common binary tree problems asked in interviews. Like those are pretty much my thoughts about it. Yeah, if any of you guys would like to run through binary tree problems with me, or maybe like potentially do a mock together, my YouTube comment section is right here, and you can also contact me via LinkedIn, which I'll link down in the description below. But yeah, I'd be super open to that.